So here I already have my backdrop on the wall. I used office pins to hang the backdrop onto the wall, and after hanging my backdrop, I'm just going to go ahead and add my my balloon garland using 260 balloons. As you can see, I'm just cutting my 260 balloon into two so that I don't waste them, and then I'm going to use one piece to tie the balloon, or to tie the balloon garland, and then I'll hang it on the office pins that I have on the wall. So beside the pins that are holding the backdrop, I'm going to add more pins to hold the balloon garland. So I'm first of all going to make sure that I place my balloon garland rightly, and when I see that it is well placed, I'm going to go ahead and push the office pin into the wall, and then I'll tie the balloon garland with the 260 balloon, then hang it onto the office pin. Okay, like you can see, my balloon garland is now hanging on the wall. If you get to a location where you're not allowed to use pins or nails on the wall, just get a command hook, and that is going to work perfectly, because in most locations you cannot use nails on the wall. I only use this because my client already had nails on the wall, and then I just added a few office nails to it, with their permission, of course. So now that my balloon garland is hanging properly on the wall, I'm going to now start filling in my balloon garland, making sure that I make it full. So I just increase the length by adding some white balloons at the bottom, and now I'll go ahead with my 5-inch balloons to fill my balloon garland. So I just added 5-inch balloons. I created a cluster using a lot of balloons, 5-inch balloons, to add onto the green block. So this one is in blocks. If you don't understand anything, just write in the comment section, ask any question, and I'm going to be able to answer to the best of my ability. So I'll go on and use my 260 balloons to add to my balloon blocks. So I take each color and I add onto them. That way everything is in different blocks, and I really love this. It is for me, I think it is very beautiful. It is more beautiful as compared to just mixing the colors together. I have the beautiful birthday girl here with me, and she is helping me to pick up the little balloons, to pick up the colors, the different colors that I need, and then we are learning along. We are learning our colors together. Oh my goodness, this little girl is so fun to work with. She made me to work at ease, and I didn't even feel that I was working. She is so fun to work with. So like you can see, I just hold my cluster and I add it onto my 260 balloon, and I tie it onto my balloon garland. I locate the place where I want it to fit, and then I just wrap the excess 260 balloon round the balloons, and there you go. I think it looks awesome. It looks beautiful. I do not want to have so much space at the top, and I do not want the wall to show underneath the backdrop. So that is why my garland is where it is, because I had to take all of this into consideration. So at this point, I'll just keep doing that, putting everything together until I see that my balloon garland is looking beautiful. If you don't understand anything, just write in the comment section, ask any question, and I'm going to be able to answer to the best of my ability. So I'll go on and use my 260 balloons to add to my balloon blocks. So I take each color and I add onto them. That way everything is in different blocks, and I really love this. It is for me, I think it is very beautiful. It is more beautiful as compared to just mixing the colors together. Okay, now that we are done putting in the 5-inch balloons, we are going to go ahead to add our 18-inch balloons, which are the biggest sizes, or the biggest sizes that we have, onto our Garland. And we are going to be adding each color next to each balloon next to the same color. So we take pink and we add onto pink. We take an 18-inch balloon and add onto 18-inch green balloon and add onto the green block that we have, if that makes sense. So I'm going to first of all blow them, tie them all together, and then I'll start adding them to each color. And I'm going to be using the same method to tie them. So I'll take my 260 balloons and I will tie it to my 18-inch balloon, and then I'm going to tie it onto the Garland, then wrap the excess onto the Garland. I did not want to make this video so long, so I edited it to make sure that I don't waste your time while you sit here and watch me do the same thing. That is why I edited it like this, so that I don't make it too long. So I'm just going to keep doing the same thing, and at this point I'm just making sure I'm just playing with my balloons. I'm playing with them. All you need is to be creative. If you're creative, then you don't have any problem with organic balloon Garland. It is very easy to do. But still, if you have any question, leave a comment below and I'll be sure to answer you to the best of my ability. Like you see, I'm just playing around my balloons, making sure that everything is straight, everything looks good. Yeah, if there is need to add any balloon anywhere, then I'm gonna add. That's just what you're seeing me doing. So basically we are pretty much done with this Garland, and at this point it's just about your eyes. what your eyes consider to be beautiful, you go for it. So that's what I would say. There's no formula to follow. Just go with what your eyes say is beautiful, but just make sure that your Garland is full. It is not it is not scanty. And one other thing that I did at the bottom, which you're not seeing, is that I went ahead and I filled one of my balloons. I actually doubled the balloon and I filled it up with water to use as my as a weight, so that my balloons will not be flying around. That way it is well structured. So it wasn't too big, just a little, like a small baseball, and then I tied it onto the bottom balloon, like the last piece down, and then it gave some weight to my Garland, and my balloons were not moving around. So I'll just move back and make sure that everything looks good. Okay guys, so here you have it. Here you have our unicorn balloon garland, looking all beautiful. Hope that I was able to explain myself in this video. If there is anything that you still need clarification, please reach out to me in the comment section below, and do give us a like if this video was helpful to you. Like this video, as your likes help to promote the video and to promote the channel. Again, I want to say a special welcome to all my new subscribers. Thank you so much for subscribing to this channel. Hope you are loving it so far. And if you are new here, just watching me for the first time, I want to say that you are very, very welcome. Let me know what you would like to see me do, what you would like to see me upload on this channel, and I will willingly do it. Thank you again, and I will see you in the next video. Bye for now.